This is the Motorola Razr 2022, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch the keyboard. In here, among these little icons at the options bar, find the cog icon that stands for the keyboard settings, then tap on it. Once you have successfully launched the Gboard keyboard settings page, enter the preferences category and switch on the number row toggle. And as you will be able to see now, that will essentially mean that we have successfully activated the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.